नई नई तुम लोगों के पास आई है और बुक्स को देख देख के डर भी शायद लगता है, लेकिन यही प्रॉब्लम आई प्रेप की एनिमेशन वीडियो मिनटों सेकंडों में खत्म कर देगी। और आज हम लेकर आए हैं स्टैंडर्ड 11th अकाउंटेंसी का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, पावर्ड बाय आई प्रेप। चले फटाफट उसको देख लेते हैं।
Journal. Definition. In accounting and bookkeeping, a journal is a record of financial transactions in order by date. A journal is often defined as the book of original entry. In other words, a journal is a record that keeps accounting transactions in a chronological order, that is, as they occur. Journal. The first step of accounting. The first stage of accounting process is journal and journalizing. Journal is the primary book of keeping accounts. The book wherein the transactions are recorded in a chronological order of dates after determining the debit account and credit account of transactions with explanation is called journal. Hence, the process of recording transactions in journal is called journalizing. Journal entry. An accounting journal entry is the method used to enter an accounting transaction into the accounting records of a business. It should include the date of the entry, the accounting period in which the journal entry should be recorded, the accounts into which the debits and credits are to be recorded, the name of the person recording the entry. The journal entry format. The first column in journal is date. It includes the date of transaction. The second column is particulars column. In this column, the account title to be debited is written on the first line, beginning from the left-hand corner, and the word DR is written at the right end of the column. The account title to be credited is written on the second line, leaving sufficient margin on the left side with a prefix to. The third column is ledger folio or LF. It keeps the records of ledger folios. Fourth column is debit amount column, which records the amount debited. The last column is credit amount. It keeps a record of amount credited.
देखा ना क्या मजेदार तरीके से 11th अकाउंटेंसी का टॉपिक भी तुम्हें इमीडिएटली समझ में आ गया। ऐसी और वंडरफुल वीडियोस देखने के लिए, डिटेल टीचर वीडियोस देखने के लिए और भी बहुत कुछ पाने के लिए नीचे दिए गए हुए सुपर ऐप आई प्रेप के लिंक को दबाएं, डाउनलोड करें और जाके अपने आप एक्सप्लोर करो यार कि क्या कुछ है तुम्हारे लिए। कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन शाइनिंग। टिल देन, बाय बाय।